Morning, it's just past 10:30. Beach is already really busy today. No clouds anymore like we had the past few days. Beautiful weather. And while it's not that hot out, I'm gonna get lunch for later this afternoon at the Lidl supermarket at the end of the Rincón. So walk with me while bars are getting ready to open up for the day. And I said it's not that hot, but it is already 25 degrees. Got some stunning weather, gonna go up until 27. Tomorrow we'll hit 30. No, I can tell you. On the left, Grand National, people enjoying some breakfast down there. I'm glad we finally have some nicer weather. I mean, the cool days are fine, but I saw we're heading 32 at the end of the week, next week. Wow, getting really hot here. Nighttime temperatures won't drop below 23 after that. I think most bars are still ready opening. Except the bars that are doing breakfast, they're open already. And places like this, those 24/7 supermarkets never close, of course. Got the aquarium bar there on the left. Some of their lunch menus for later on. Bit too early for that now. They're open up early over here, the bank and the red door. Special offer, 2 bottles San Miguel, €3. A lot of the people that are coming this way are heading for the beach. Past few days hasn't been the best weather for that. Of course they're gonna make the most of it now. Now the sun is back. Nearly at the Big Ben and the Union Jack bar. And by the way, if you enjoy these videos, then please do give them a like. It really helps me promoting them on YouTube. Appreciate that. Big Ben not that popular anymore with the other 2 bars that came. The bank and the red door, green door as well. Well, they don't do lunch. It's not the busiest anymore down here. A bit further on we have the Sun Terrace, and then we're almost at the Lidl supermarket. I'll show you guys inside what I'm getting for lunch. It is getting a bit more windy out here. Love that, especially when the weather's quite hot. It's nice when there's a little bit of a breeze.
We're not pressing, we're not pushing.
Down here at the sun terrace where there's plenty of sun now. Hardly any crowds. Breakfast, by the way, went in price up. It used to be $4.50, now it's $5.50 for a small one. There is the bus going towards the water park, Aqualandia and Mundomar. I think they'll be quite busy today. It's a Friday, so expect a lot of school trips down there. And also people that didn't went for the past few days because the weather just wasn't the best. I mean, 24 degrees and clouds, it's not water park weather. You want the sun shining. A Red Lion too. And there we have the big Melia Hotel right on the opposite. That is where the supermarket is. Nice quick walk, it's around 8 minutes from the beach. All through those shopping streets and restaurant streets and everything you have in between over there. Well, shopping street, most of it were those simple 24/7 supermarkets I saw. But there were some restaurants in it as well. I see the gate is already closed. They're using the gate from now on. Usually it was all accessible and everything. Now they use the gate and you have to get a ticket. I expected that already with a busy summer season coming up. First 2 hours parking are free. From then on you have to pay. Let's head in. First gonna get a shopping trolley, much easier filming that. Oh, they're still hot. Nice. Some fruits. Oh, I love walking here, it's nice and cool. In between those fridges everywhere. Take some cookies as well. As I said, it's for lunch, so don't need a lot this time. There we go, it was about €5. Not bad for a lunch for 2 people. I'm gonna head back, work, and then lunch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I want to see how the rest of the week were, the days before were with all the clouds. Check right up here.